aggregate transformation.
Okay.
So here, just for confirmation, here this is the table which is showing the records distinct orders against which we have some repetitive customers. So I want to say, just make it reverse. Like I will show distinct customers with
Okay.
aggregated order number and order value. So I just think in this way, like list of customer code will be displayed, distinct customer code, and customer names, customer type, customer category, address, and count of order number. Again, number of orders, order number, that is total order value, and that's it. So it will show you error because the customers
Yes, sir.
are going to repetitive. So here I have to use aggregate group by, okay, for aggregate.
Okay.
Now I just taken this customer description, the customer name, number of orders, and order value.
Okay.
So one thing it is allowing here for execution, even if you are taking it will show you error.
Okay.
That means one dimension you are getting and zooming. So now you see, are you getting any repetitive customers? Ahmad Abdullah. So these are the customers, those are having out of which probably Ahmad Abdullah would be the highest. Yes, it has a highest number of order value. So now this data, this type of aggregation, I will perform in SSIS. So for this we have to use aggregate transformation. New package. For this table, we will create a table with field as this and this. Okay. The table, customer, order number, and order value. Okay. And here, I've created you without return records. So, I'll take the data for task, inside which I will take this source. And there we will take the table as customer matched,
Okay.
where we have customer as well as we have this customer as well as orders. Against customer we have list of repetitive customers. All right.
Yeah.
So this coming to what transformation? Aggregate transformation. When we need a definition over here, and Susan dragging till this table. Over here we have this aggregate customer. No data. This column should be data. The mapping will not get those informations. So I have to aggregate data over here. Customers should be distinct customers, should not be repeated, and the values of the customer will be summed up. So go for aggregate transformation. So, that is what data should be aggregated. It should be aggregated by customer group by this. In the database it was not working, but here it will work. You may have customer code, etc. other fields also. Right?
Okay.
And this is the string type of data, so it is being grouped by.
Okay.
And then I'll use number of customers, number of orders. So I will take order number. So it should not be grouped by. I will just choose it count distinct. Okay, that means
Yeah.
the orders should not be repeated. It should be distinct order will be counted. So this dimension is converted to a measure. Now the
Okay.
order value I have taken, which is numeric, and by default it is taken as sum of order value. So I have got three alias. So output alias what you can name is, I'll just name it as customer. As per our database field, we will just name it.
Okay.
And then order. Order. So even if your source field is this, output field could be something different, right? Now here, I've taken this, and over here, I can use this table as aggregate customer. Is no data. The matching it is absolutely matched because I just changed the column names to destination. Now there are how many records in the source? Why it is showing error? In error output, I will no clear. Our data type is not matching properly. Customer cannot convert between Unicode and Unicode. I've used hash at 50. I use hash at 50. So I need to use what operator? The conversion, data conversion. That's why it's not matching.
Okay.
Earlier the field was the mapping with customer field is wiki WSTR, wiki STR, and wiki R8, wiki UI4. This is float and this is integer S. This is float directory in destination, and the source it was numeric. I will use the conversion, data conversion. Quickly add this to here and choose all these fields. So that to the destination it should be DTW, DTSTS. This is string, not Unicode string, and it should be number of customers. So the destination of what it was. Now you see DPSTR, DPSTR. You know the size. DTR8, DTR8. Okay. So for the data conversion, I will use now the only length is there is, but I don't care. It will work. Uh, in the destination, the length is something else, and in the source, the length is 50. They given. That's right. The customer name is varying. The customer is 50, but here it is 250. Okay. Okay. So I will just change it to 50. Then alert will also be removed. Okay. That's fine. Now let's run this. Aggregate transformation. So this data, which is 1000 record here, in, I mean 633 records. How many records?
Yeah. Yeah.
In the match, 633 records will be converted to this much of record. This will be in the target. This is here. Okay. 59 records. Perfect. Aggregate column. Now see only those aggregate records. Interesting.
Yeah. Amit, if you don't mind, can you explain once again